I got some pretty thick oil in this little truck because I was using a little bit of oil. Battery was kind of low, but I coerced her to kick over. Give it a quick pump. Don't want to rub it too much. Gonna get her. I do need to change the oil again. I'm probably just going to put, 1030 in it with an additive for the winter time, because I got some Lucas in it now with some diesel oil, and I think it's far too thick, and oil pressure is still trying to climb. And I was wrong. It's only like 15 degrees out here. It's rather winter-like, and we're only a few weeks past Halloween. Oh yeah, see, she don't even want to stay. And I got my foot into it right now just to keep her going. Look at that. Finally, I'll stay going on her own. I got a manual choke linkage I put together, but I still need to hook up the fast idle cam. My November cold start. 5 more months of this fun stuff.